In a rapidly evolving world, staying ahead means equipping yourself with the right skills. Let's explore the most important skills to learn in 2024. 1. Data literacy. With data driving decisions across industries, understanding how to interpret, analyze, and visualize data is essential. 2. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. As AI continues to revolutionize technology, knowing how to develop AI systems and leverage machine learning algorithms will be invaluable. 3. Creativity and innovation. In a world of automation, human creativity remains unmatched. Cultivating creativity and embracing innovation will be crucial for problem solving and staying relevant. 4. Remote collaboration and communication. With remote work becoming the norm, mastering communication skills and collaborating effectively in virtual environments is indispensable. 5. Cybersecurity. As digital threats become more sophisticated, protecting sensitive information and securing networks will be a top priority for businesses and individuals alike. 6. Healthcare technology. With advancements in healthcare technology, understanding medical devices, electronic health records, and telemedicine platforms will be essential for healthcare professionals and patients. 7. Multilingualism and intercultural competence. In a globalized world, speaking multiple languages and embracing cultural diversity fosters connections and opens doors to opportunities on a global scale. In 2024 and beyond, adapting to change and continuously learning new skills will be key to thriving in an ever-evolving world.